Hello.
Good morning.
It's currently 10:42 on this beautiful Thursday morning.
Yeah.
We just woke up and oh my goodness.
We have to go so Bella can shower.
My
Our aunt's.
my shower's broken at my house, so I've been using my aunt's shower.
And then I have to shower at my house. And then we're filming and getting ready for the concert.
Yep, we're going to see Montgomery Gentry at the Upstate Concert Hall tonight.
Mhm.
So we're gonna take you guys with us today. We gotta get up,
Yeah.
make ourselves fresh and clean.
Yes, because both of our hair is disgusting. Our hair is gross.
Literally, I don't think I could even try and do anything to it. Like,
No, it's
gonna,
I can't. It's
it won't even like stay.
No,
it's just
it's
like
so-
matted to like.
It's matted to my head too. Great. We look homeless.
Yum.
Just love it. Okay, well, we'll check in with you guys in a bit. Bye.
So I just finished taking a shower at my aunt's house, and now Brenna and I are headed back to her house so she can shower, and then we're gonna film and get ready for tonight. So bad.
So I just took a shower and Bella painted her toes, and now we're just getting ready to film another video.
Make sure you
Before-
watch it when we post it. So we're just gonna get ready, film, and then
We'll be on
probably
eat something, hopefully.
yeah.
And then be on our way.
Yep.
On our merry way. Go, go, go! Don't forget.
So.
We're coming! What are you doing? Run! So, we heard it.
Every time I come to Brenna's, we wait for the ice cream truck, and it never comes when I'm here. So we heard it, and we told Krista and Zoe to listen for it
My fake sisters.
and get us ice cream. And we heard it coming, so we ran out of the house.
I have no shoes on. I'm literally wearing this.
And it drove right by.
The door was locked. They were like, oh, we didn't hear it.
I could cry.
I'm really disappointed, very upset. So, I might be too depressed to go to the concert, honestly.
It's canceled. Tonight's canceled. We're done. This is the end of our video.
Bye. Bella's curling my hair right now. And we're just eating some food before we leave.
We're on the phone with
With
the
Eric.
dad,
Yup.
Eric.
We were supposed to be leaving, like, right now, but that's okay.
But when I'm involved, you're never on time, so it's just how we roll.
Yeah, we're just gonna end it there. That was bad. Don't say that again. Okay, so me and Bella are all ready to go.
We just filmed our outro for a video.
Yeah.
It's so hot. We're probably gonna die.
Yeah.
I'm already sweating. Haven't even left yet.
Yep. So
Oh, wait.
we have to leave. What?
I want to put some highlighter on my collarbone.
Oh, can you do mine too?
Yeah.
We are running like a half an hour later than we wanted to, so hopefully traffic won't be too bad, but it probably will. So it's gonna take a bit to get there, but
Even though we were on time all day today, which of course that's like how it goes.
yup. So hopefully no one will be waiting there. Like hopefully we can be pretty up close in the front because it is so hard to see from the back. So I'm hoping that we'll be pretty close. I mean, we were planning on it, but if we ever go to see someone that we're like in love with, we're gonna have to leave at like, or get ready in the morning at like 9.
Yeah. So it takes us forever.
Yeah, so
I couldn't find it for a second.
and like, why does it not show?
I don't know. My collarbone has always been like super poppin'.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys in the car.
So we're finally on our way. We're running a little bit behind, but it's okay. Still be there. Hopefully there's not a lot of people.
Hey, stupid! We almost just died and it was not my fault.
Reason number 50 why I don't drive. But hopefully there's not a lot of people there and we can still get a good spot. I have a feeling that we'll be fine.
I think we'll be okay just because I don't think there'll be a lot of like people our age.
Yeah.
And if they are, I don't think that they'll be like eager to get there as quickly, so I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
So, I'm super excited.
Me too.
Ugh, the hair is sticking to the gloss.
Me too.
Still sleeping, I can leave with no way. This ain't a one night fling kind of thing. I wake you up, press my luck. Every night I should be on my knees. Lord knows how lucky I am.
So, we just got here. And there's no one else in line. So, we're pretty much first in line.
Brenna's like, we're gonna be late. There's gonna be people here.
So, this is exciting. We're probably gonna be like front row.
Yeah.
We don't have to look over anyone. No. It's gonna be a bunch of old geezers. And then me and Bella. Yep.
It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be so much fun.
What is it now?
Ended and it was freaking amazing.
Oh my god.
They are so
Incredible.
talented.
Yes.
Everyone that performed, like even the people that went out before them, were freaking amazing.
I have no words.
Brenna and I ran into some weird people like we normally do.
And we couldn't find the exit, so we kind of had to awkwardly drive around and like almost hit this guy. And
But then when we first got there was like these creepy guys sitting in their truck, and then we had to
those people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we had to call the boyfriend
Yeah, so that we could act
feel
distracted.
safe.
Yeah, to feel safe.
come save us.
Mm-hmm.
But overall, it was amazing.
It was amazing. It was
So now we're probably gonna get some food,
great. Yup.
and then
Bad food. Second night in a row.
Yup, that's how we roll.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna go home and watch some conspiracy theories.
Conspiracy theories. Yeah, and then we're gonna sleep in my comfy bed.
Mm-hmm.
That's it for our day.
Looking forward to it. I'm just, I don't know. Lack of like oxygen. Something's wrong. I'm like so hungry.
Brenna almost passed out when we first got there and we were waiting in line.
Yeah, I forgot my inhaler, but it's okay.
She just
Everyone
wants
was
to
just
die
smoke-
tonight or something.
Everyone was just smoking like cigarettes, and you know, it just smelled great. My favorite smell in the world. So yeah.
What is happening?
Get off me!
Or it's like you're going way too over the speed limit and you're gonna be pulled over. It's a
No, I
cop.
left him in the dust. Did you see it back there?
And it's a cop. His lights come on.
It's not a cop. Bella, shut up. Oh, what's the speed limit say? It's right there.
45.
Oh yeah. Well,
Driving with Brenna.
Yeah.
Brenna's gonna give us all driving lessons.
You just go as fast as you want, and then you're just so good that the cops don't even see you. That's how fast you are.
Yeah, you just fly right by them, but
Woo!
it's so fast they don't even see you.
Yeah. And they're like, what was that? Like, nothing. Oh, I love this song. What song is this?
Home
In the silver light of dawn,
She left you a message. She thanked you on the phone. 'Cause you picked up her life. She threw on the floor. You left the whole lights take a
Drunk girl home.
Take a drunk
Bounce it, Brenna!
You messed it up! I was gonna do it!
of country nights. Some good news on this thankful.
Wendy's. We just stopped at Burger King to get some food, and they're closed.
They're not closed. They close at 1. It was 12:45.
What else?
The 10-piece nugget.
Just the nuggets.
Yes.
Brenna gets really funky when she's tired.
I don't know. But so does Bella. One time, Bella, do your
Oh,
brain?
that scared me. I was like, oh my god, there's a
Excuse
bug on me.
I think something in your brain, like, is tired, and then it like activates this other thing in your brain, and then you start acting like you did drugs or something, and you didn't. Because I didn't do anything. I don't do anything bad. I just drink this water.
I just cannot talk to people.
I
I
still
don't have
can't.
social skills.
Sometimes at the salon, I'll be like, and they'll be like, what? And I'm just like, no. Na, 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 na.
Ain't she beautiful? That's it, wasn't it?
That's okay. Sorry.
But I was the guy in the bike.
On a mini bike, he was like, can't sell this unless that check.
They're hiring. You need a job, Bren? Brenna's like the mom. I'm always broke. She's always buying me food.
It's just money. I don't really care. It's
That
just
you
money.
work.
What?
What was that? That you work so hard for?
Yeah, but it's just.
Oh, he's triggered.
Oh no, it's okay. Thank you. I'm such a liar.
Oh, it was no problem. Hi, can I get a medium fry?
Okay.
Cheeseburger and then a 6-piece nugget with honey mustard sauce.
What size?
A 6-piece?
I finished all my French fries already.
Oh, I was gonna ask you for one. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
$11.75
You could get a job here.
per hour. Flexible hours, advancement opportunities, and free training.
Here you go.
Thank you. Yes. We got the food. Now it's time to go to bed. Woo!
Why are we so far apart?
I don't know.
Sorry. And
Stay on your side. I don't want to be close to you.
Okay, well, we're watching our movie again for second night in a row.
Yep. Kissing booth. Check it out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna finish eating, and then we're gonna cuddle
Take
and
his name
sleep
off.
until 2 tomorrow.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging. I really hope that you enjoyed hanging out with us today.
Yep. And our first vlog.
Yeah. And if you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to subscribe.
And stay tuned for our next video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.